Hello there, YouTubers. We are down at Jeffrey's. If you need anything made, Jeffrey's is the place to get it done because it's going to be perfect. Well, it'll be together. We're taking off the clamps now. We're putting the legs on these workbenches, tables. I don't know what you call what I'm making. We got it all clamped up. And this isn't the way it's going to sit when we use it. Depends on who's, you know, this might turn out to be a pretty good way if you're welding pipe or something. I guess if you wanted to turn it over and work it that way, you could turn it over and work it that way. This is 2 1/4 by 1/8. This is 2 inch by 3/16. Everything was left over except for these pieces here and these pieces here I had to buy. This is a road plate, 1 inch thick. This stuff down here is road plate. This is getting some wheels on it, so that's what we're making. That's the project today because it is raining outside. We can come out here. It's just sprinkling, not too bad. If I hold the camera down, I think we showed you this before. This one here we're going to have to flop over because it's got a little bend in it. The edges aren't good or anything like that, but as time goes on, you can grind up on that or do whatever you want with it. I just need a heavy, all the stuff was laying around. I didn't see any point in it just laying around, so made it into tables, and I think they're going to be a lot handier used as tables, and they're the same height. Putting wheels on it, I think I showed you in the past the wheels on it that we're putting on this thing. These are supports, or the angle iron, because when it flips over, then you'll have a place to put some one by wood in there to store stuff in there, because I'm a pack rat and store stuff all the time. So we're going to put the frame together. We're going to mark the legs, move the frame off a little bit, and grind it up so it'll weld better to that plate, because it's pretty nasty down there, and it might even get some paint on it if I can.
Wood? You think you can find a sawmill to get some boards?
You know, that's a tough situation now. Carroll County said they didn't have any wood up there. I don't really have any logs up in my place. I done sawed them all. You got some.
You don't even have a sawmill.
I know I don't. I got one that starts that doesn't want to stop. I got to pull that starter on that. There ain't no point. This camera isn't going to take kindly to his welding, so there ain't no point in getting too crazy with that. If you want to see somebody welding, you can go watch somebody weld. We'll go down to the trunk of the car and show you the wheels that are going to go on there. With one hand I can't pick up all the wheels, but I can show you the one, what the wheel is. I think I might have showed them to you in the past. They're supposed to be able to handle, 4 of them are supposed to be able to handle, I don't know, 200 pounds a piece, 500 pounds a piece, 1,000,000 pounds a piece. Who knows? I don't know. I fixed the wire in here that the squirrels ate up. 2 wires, as a matter of fact. My trunk. Anyhow, those are the wheels. I can carry one. If I don't let this go shut, I might not have to open the door to get it. But hopefully at the end of this rainy day, we'll have some rolly around benches. Oh, time to tear apart. These will go on here like so. Can't get that one off. It takes 2 hands. Huh. Can't get that one off. Must have got cranked somehow.
I made them 1 inch taller, 1 inch longer.
Remember that engine he just rebuilt? This is the cam. That one's nice and round. It's supposed to have a big bump on it. That's why that engine he was just building got built. I couldn't get that one clamp off over there. This is something that somebody just laid a bunch of these on. This looks like some kind of a hasp, where it's got a hinge here, and then it's got a little piece that goes in there, and then that would protect your lock from getting hurt. Stuff comes around here that you just never know.
How's that working?
Trying to do this one-handed. Just ain't working too good.
So the drawer said the drawer you need for the opening is 6.5. Oh, I went 7. Okay, what are you going to buy? 8 board?
Now he'll finish welding that, and we'll put it on the plate the way we want to put it on the plate, and scratch the marks in, and probably just put, you know, maybe a weld, L weld here, and an L weld there. There's no point in just wasting a bunch of weld on that. These little wheels, they have this, if you didn't see them before, they have a thing that here you turn. I can't turn with one hand, but if you do that, oh, that's making that, it makes this rubber foot come up so you can level your thing and stop it from rolling. Now I don't know how these wheels are going to do in this, these pretty cheap wheels, I don't know how they're going to do on concrete, but they're not going to be going down the highway a lot. But see, if you keep turning that, it stabilizes that, and it gets to a point where it's higher, so it'll be resting on that most of the time. And that's how that is. Anyhow, that's about does. This is going to be another chapter book. I'll put in maybe this one and another. I like to go to 10 minutes, so I got 3 minutes to waste. The reason you waste 3 minutes is because it puts you in a different category on YouTube. I don't know exactly how it works, but they sent me a thing saying all sorts of stuff. They said to make your videos better profitable, you know, you want them to go to 10 minutes. I think that's so they can put another commercial in there, and they make money, I make money, so try to waste my time with 10 minutes. Nah, I don't know, I don't feel like that. I'm making time to show people stuff, so I'll come back and show you our progress in the next step. So glad you stopped by. That's it for now. Bye bye. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and if you hit that bell button, you'll see the next one I put on will probably be this one also. So we'll see you later now. Bye bye.